Hey, what's going on? JD here. And for fans of the channel, you know that I like to get out, do some vlogging, go on some adventures, ride the bike, head out to the mountains, do some epic climbs, hang out with friends, and go on some interesting rides. Now, for those rides, always utilize the GoPro. Why? Because of its small footprint, it's light, easy to carry, and it has great image quality and fantastic image stabilization, especially for action sports. Now, the problem always becomes the batteries for these guys. While on the newer models have been absolutely fantastic, we still run out of batteries. Now, generally speaking, for an adventure ride, I will bring out 2 batteries, and at times I will find myself trying to limit what I am filming in order not to run out of batteries, because if something exciting happens, you never quite want to be out of batteries. And it never fails. Something will come up, whether it's a mountain goat that won't let you get near your camera or something else. There always comes a time where you will run out of battery juice, and sometimes videos kind of end a little bit more abruptly than I would like them to. Now, this product from XTAR hopefully will resolve some of those issues, especially when going out and doing some backpacking and bike packing and all that kind of stuff. This is a battery charger. It has a built-in battery and 2 slots where you can put your GoPro batteries in. It covers a wide range of batteries ranging from the 5 to the 10. So if you're running around with some older batteries like this, or some older cameras like this, which utilize different batteries than what you are using in your main camera, you can still charge them up using an adapter, which is absolutely fantastic. This guy has enough juice to charge up your batteries 2 to 3 times. It takes about 50 minutes to an hour and a half to get a full charge on a fully drained battery. But if you've been utilizing your camera and you're swapping batteries anyways, while you're utilizing another battery is charging. You're just extending the life of things. And again, this guy is relatively small enough that it's not going to be an issue. It can fit in a jersey pocket. It does have a little bit of weight to it, but at the end of the day, it can help extend your filming time. Now, if you're not into filming and stuff like that, this might not be a solution for you, but I know a lot of times I will run a bag on the front of the bike, and this is just gonna simply go in there. The fantastic thing about this guy is it's got a magnetic snap lid, much like the Apple AirPods, and you'll have the charging batteries on the front. You can simply throw the batteries inside. You've got 4 LED lights on the front and then 2 with the corresponding batteries letting you know whether they're charged. On the back, you have a USB-C input, which is fantastic. So you can use this as a dedicated charger at home as well. It does have 2 modes. It has a indoor mode and an outdoor mode. On indoor mode, what it will do will charge up both your GoPro batteries first and then charge the internal battery. On outdoor mode, what will happen, because it's not plugged in, it will utilize that battery bank to fill up one of your batteries first and then the other. So you're able to always have something ready to go, which is fantastic and will stop you from missing out in the action. Now, the cool thing is this is just kind of launching from XTAR. I believe they have a Kickstarter going, so you can definitely check this out. They did send me this product for review. So once we get into the season, what we will do is we will do a full review of the XTAR GP2, let you know what we like, what we don't like. We'll bring it on some bike packing trips. We'll also bring it on some epic mountain rides and see how it fares in the great outdoors. And of course, we will let you know exactly what we think. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notifications. And until next time, see ya.